Foundation repair is one of those things you really want to get right the first time, because messing it up can lead to huge headaches down the road. So here's the deal. Always ask who exactly is going to be working on your house. Like, are they full-time employees of the company or just subcontractors? Employees usually have better training and someone keeping an eye on their work, so that gives you a bit more peace of mind. Also, don't be shy to ask for references or examples of past jobs they've done. Seeing real results is clutch. Make sure you get a detailed estimate that breaks down the costs and the timeline so there are no surprises later. Check if the company offers any warranty on their work, because that shows they stand behind it. Don't forget to ask how they handle unexpected issues if they pop up during the repair. Finally, keep communication open and don't hesitate to ask questions whenever you feel unsure. It's your home after all, and you deserve to know what's going on. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair is hiring a crew without checking their background, which can lead to low-quality work or worse, scams. Fix this by doing your homework. Look up reviews and ask for proof of licenses and insurance. Another common problem is not getting a clear written contract, which can cause confusion about what's included or how long it takes. Always insist on a written agreement that spells out everything in detail. Third, lots of folks skip inspecting the site or don't understand the scope of damage, so repairs don't fully solve the issue. You can avoid this by requesting a thorough inspection and asking for a clear explanation of what needs fixing and why. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making your life way easier. If you're a contractor, it's a smart spot to find legit work and build your reputation without all the hassle of marketing yourself alone.